So today I'm gonna be showing you how you make your own fertilizer. Stop wasting money on buying all those fertilizers that you find in the stores, but with your own chicken manure you can actually make your own fertilizer for your crops. So I'm here in my chicken house right now to get some of my manure to actually use it as a fertilizer. So this is what we call organic fertilizers. We have two types of fertilizers. We have chemical fertilizer, the ones that you get at the stores. We have your organic fertilizer. Some they use moringa tree, some they use the chicken manure to make their own fertilizer. So I don't have moringa tree, what I have is chickens. So I'm gonna be using the waste from my chickens to make my own fertilizer for my tomatoes. So this is the first time I'm doing this. I've never done it before. It's an experiment that I'm gonna be doing with you. So right now we're gonna be filling up this bucket that I have over here. It's a 2 kg bucket. So we're gonna be filling it up with some chicken manure. So from here we're gonna mix it with water, leave it for 7 days and see after 7 days if it's ready. So right now let's get some chicken manure. This is our chicken manure, is the one that we're going to be mixing it with water. So right now, let's go and mix this chicken manure with some water. So right now, you're going to be taking a 20-liter bucket and we're going to be putting our, is this 5 kg or is this 2 kg? It's 5 kg, right? Yeah? This bucket, how much kgs are on this bucket? It's 5 kg, 5-liter bucket actually. So we're gonna be taking 5 liter of manure, putting it into our 20-liter bucket, and then we're gonna fill it up with water and close it, and then leave it to actually make the magic that we are looking for, which is the fertilizer. So this is how it looks like. This is our chicken waste that we got from the chicken coop. So now I'm gonna need a what did you call this thing? Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna need a chicken, the bags that carry our feed, our chicken feed. So we're gonna use it to actually separate the water and the manure. So I'm going to show you how we do it. A lot of people have been making this mistake. So we're going to put this thing inside here. Like this. And then we put this bag inside here. And then we fill it with water. Let's go. So the mistakes that I've seen a lot of people make is that they mix the chicken manure directly with water. So what I'm doing here, I'm actually trying to make a tea bag. So that's why I'm using the chicken feed bag as my what. So it's sort of a tea bag. Yeah, I'm using it as a bag to actually, you know, I don't know, man. Sometimes English run away because it's not my mother's tongue. But yeah, you guys are getting what I'm doing. So I can see a tea bag. They put the tea inside a bag. So here what I'm doing, I'm putting the manure inside this bag. So we're gonna use it as our filter to actually filter whatever we need from this chicken manure directly to the water without it mixing it up with the water. So this is how we do it, and we're gonna put this inside here like this. So this bag operates as our filter. So we're gonna fill this in and up and put everything inside here. So now we have our filter here, as this bag works as our filter. So you see that tea is coming out nicely without the manure. See? That's what we want. That's what we want. We want the tea. Just squeeze it like that for the tea to actually come out. So now we're gonna leave it like this. So we're gonna close this bucket of ours for the next 7 days. Every day we're gonna come, squeeze the tea out and leave it inside, and then close it. So right now we wanna close this and leave it where the sun will do the magic. Day 1. Stay tuned for more days that are coming. This was day 1 of us trying to make our own fertilizer from the chicken manure. Stay tuned for more videos. 14 days later, our organic fertilizer, it was ready to be used. It was now ready to fertilize our tomatoes with it. Unfortunately, guys, I lost the audio on the original video. So this video, I think I showed it about a few years back, and then I kept it on my drive and I forgot about it. So when I wanted to edit this video, unfortunately I lost the audio. So now I'm gonna be doing a voiceover explaining actually what happened. So after 14 days, our fertilizer was ready, and then here I was actually mixing the fertilizer with more water, as it was strong. Like I could smell it, like this thing is too strong. So I didn't want to actually ended up burning my tomatoes. So what I did was actually add about 4 liters of the fertilizer inside the 20-liter bucket, and then I added more water just to dilute it a little bit, so that I killed the too much power that it had. So yeah, here I was actually fertilizing my tomatoes. And if you've been following the channel, if last year you've been here on the channel, we have been actually harvesting these tomatoes. So I've done videos where I'm actually delivering these tomatoes with my baggie, selling these tomatoes with my baggie, the baggie. So those tomatoes that you saw last year on the channel, where we used an organic fertilizer to actually fertilize them. That's why most people are asking what kind of fertilizer we're using, and they saw that the tomatoes were so fresh and they were so good, man. Yeah, and the taste of them, wow, it was nice. So we used the organic fertilizer to actually fertilize the tomatoes that we had on the field. So we mixed our chicken manure as well as water to make that fertilizer. So that's how you basically make an organic fertilizer. And here I was just actually watering my plant or fertilizing them with the organic fertilizer that we made. So yeah, we really had a successful harvest on this production. It was an amazing, it was around winter time, and it was one of the best production that we ever had of tomatoes. since we started trying to plant tomatoes here at Makwala Agri. So those who've been on the channel for too long, you know, maybe this is the fourth this was the third tomato production that we had. The first one was a disaster, the second one it went good, and this one was one of the best that we had. In the current space, I also have planted more tomatoes for 2025. So guys, this year we're gonna do a lot of stuff on the channel, and I hope to do them with you. So yeah, man, stay tuned for this video. But the only thing that I was doing here was just to fertilize the tomatoes, man. Remember, if you've been watching this video up to this far, subscribe to the channel, like, comment. You guys, I don't know why you don't like the video even though you watch them. So guys, please like the video, consider joining our membership just to support the channel, man. There are a lot of things that I want to do on the channel, and they're gonna cost me lots of money. So I want to bring more farmers into the channel, so we engage with them, just to have some few interviews with a lot of farmers. But yeah, man, it's gonna cost me a lot of money. I've been saving up a little bit just to do that, because YouTube doesn't really pay much, and the work that I want to do, it's gonna need a sponsorship. I've tried to search for sponsors, I've tried to approach a lot of companies, and no one is on board. So I have to do this with my own money, because I'm doing this out of love of doing this. It's not about money for me, it's all about, you know, I wanna do this, I wanna put the work of other farmers out there, I wanna inspire more and more people into this farming space. So yeah, man, basically what I'm gonna be doing in the current space, I'm gonna be trying to go out, get more farmers to the channel by, in terms of maybe doing a podcast or just spending a day with them in their farms, and just try to understand the challenges that they face, what are the things that they do. So you guys have been watching my journey, so I want to share other farmers' journey on the channel. But to do that, I want you guys to join the membership, so that we can have a little bit of more money for the petrol for me to travel. But like I said, I'm not doing this for the money. I need the money to travel. So if you want to support the channel, if you want to see me bringing more farmers on the channel, you can actually become a membership. You can only contribute like 10 rand a month. It's still okay. I'm also going to be putting my money into this thing when I'm traveling.